Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing core Bluetooth so scans and connections work reliably. Import core Bluetooth and instantiate a CB central manager with a delegate. This gives you central state callbacks. Once the manager reports powered on, start scanning for peripherals that advertise your target service UUIDs. Make sure you already have the exact service and characteristic UUIDs to filter results. This reduces noise and speeds discovery. If the manager isn't powered, wait and handle states gracefully so the app remains responsive while you wait. You scan selectively for the specific service UUIDs to find your device quickly, call scan for peripherals with services options, and avoid duplicates. When did discover fires, immediately stop scanning to conserve battery and keep the found peripheral reference strong so it isn't deallocated. Next, set peripheral. Delegate call central manager. Connect peripheral options, nil and monitor did connect or did fail to connect. Once connected, call peripheral. Discover services with your UUIDs so you can then discover characteristics. This sequencing ensures reliable discovery and avoids missed callbacks. You finish by discovering characteristics and choosing read, write, or notifications depending on the device API. Call discover characteristics on the discovered service, then read value or set notify value true as needed. Make sure you implement peripheral, did update value for error, to process incoming data and respond. Once your data flow is working, clean up by canceling the connection when finished. If things go wrong, first verify exact UUIDs, confirm CB Central Manager state is powered on, and ensure your peripheral and central references are retained so callbacks still occur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.